is the one like you like buy, mommy.
Huh?
Look like this, yeah, the one you buy.
Yeah, but I changed my mind. I like the one like same with Cheyenne because there's 9 cubes, so we can put more. Yeah. So this is similar the one that we have.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, there's have a lot of drawer.
Yeah, that one too.
It's the same length as the other one.
Yeah,
No,
same length.
the same length as the cubes if you want drawers instead of the cube.
Yeah.
Oh, this one? How much this one?
260.
260.
It's the same price as the other one. I think
So
so.
there's more, a lot enclosed, yeah. That one's open.
Yeah.
And you can put TV on top.
Yeah, that has a lot of space. You see
Yeah.
other
This is a lot of space
Yes.
compared to the other one.
The other one, yeah.
And
Oh.
closed, no dust.
Oh, okay. We're just gonna get this one then.
You put final.
Because that way, yeah, at least this one is, yeah,
Yeah, see?
You can pull it up on the screen when you look good, and then
And then you can put the TV on top.
yeah,
What aisle is this one?
yeah. Okay, so I just gonna get, that's it. That's it, pancit.
Looks to have it in black though.
Well, it's fine.
No, Daddy.
That's okay, Daddy. If no more black, then we can just get this white. Yeah.
That's okay.
So that one, that's a final. Just highlight it. That's because you're writing something already. So
Black mommy over here.
that's different one. It's too big. This one is perfect. This one is perfect size.
And it's
I think so too.
Yeah, there's a lot of drawers, so
and the bottom drawer is deeper.
yeah,
Yeah.
I can put more junks.
Downstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, if you go.
Yeah, man.
Then I'm hungry. I like it.
No, we eat here. We eat the, ano.
Ah, this is Trinidad. I like this one. Mang Tomas.
Dati mo po.
The what? It's downstairs. This is not big enough.
Oh, is this a frame or it's a picture frames? Oh, look, this vanity. Oh, this is nice vanity. It's cheap, but the mirror is not part of it. Look, the dressing. Oh, I like this one, but yeah, this is nice, Daddy. I wish I bought this.
Yeah, but
This one, oh. But I like chair.
okay.
Oh yeah, this is the one I like because you can see your whole body. Ay, look at these cute hangers. I like this one's cute.
Mom, there's nicer hangers over there.
Yeah, it's cute. Where?
Get the kinkoy ones. Over there, the black one and over here.
I like that one. It's colorful. Nah, this too fat, that one. Yeah. I get attracted with the other one. This color.
Kinda, no?
It's so colorful. This is for kids, I think. Okay, where are you? Where's your daddy now? Daddy? Oh my, you know your daddy.
I think he's so.
This IKEA here is big. I don't know. He just walk around as if he's no one with him. Oh, this one is good. $2.99 5-pack, but this is look like durable though. I like this. This hanger is like durable. It's kinda it's sturdy. Sturdy, yeah. I'm gonna buy that one. Sturdy. I'm gonna buy one more. Oh, here. I'm looking for you. You run away.
Oh.
You run away.
Yeah.
Just gonna That's 15. Only 5 inside, that's why. Yeah, it's $3 each. $3 pack.
This you can customize your closet. Back there too.
Oh.
Door, what was it?
Huh?
Yeah, just a shoe lock.
Oh, it's nice, yeah?
It's pangit.
Which one?
It's pangit, ma'am.
Which one is pangit?
It's called
There, it's right there.
Oh, the name is pangit?
Yeah.